Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Sliders 2 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Sliders 2 puzzle was made using two different types of wood, cherry for the frame and Venge for the pieces. Difficulty level of the Sliders 2 puzzle is 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the objective of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that the opening will be covered. There will be no gaps, no sticking out parts, and there's supposed to be no gaps under the sliders as well. If you are familiar with Alexander Majoric puzzles, you probably remember the original Sliders puzzle where we had also a couple of sliders which we can move. As well as in original and in Sliders 2 puzzle, the sliders are attached to a frame and you can't remove them. But you can move them 2 steps front and back on both sides. That means that the opening can be either very small or you can make it bigger or bigger this way so that you can put parts inside. And you have to move the sliders quite a lot in order to fit pieces into the frame. And as you can see, this puzzle has 4 parts besides the sliders and the frame, and they are all completely different and you have to figure out the way how to fit them inside. First of all, you have to find the correct assembling of all 4 pieces so that you will be able to cover the opening, and then you have to find the correct sequence of moves how to fit everything inside the frame, and that will be quite a challenge to do, since at some points you will be convinced that it is not possible to put parts inside. That's because there is a rotation that required to solve the puzzle. If you like the Sliders 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.